Good day kwese kwamuri. In today's lesson, tinoda kutarisa addition formulae kana kuti compound angle identities. But before we go into the lesson, may you please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and also following. So looking at addition formulae kana kuti compound angle identities, we kick off by a quick revision. So tichiri kuita ma-trig identities. Pama-trig identities, we learned that there are 5 families of trig identities. 5 families of trigonometric identities. These 5 families, yekutanga, we have standard identities. And we summarized what they are. Then secondly, we have Pythagorean identities. We also did them in our previous lesson. Then as our number 3, we have what are called double angle identities. Ayatichamaita in the following lessons. Double angle identities. Then for our number 4, we have addition identities. My identities are anowanikwa in the addition formulae family. Then for our number 5, we have small angle identities. Small angle identities. In our earlier lessons, we looked at standard identities and also Pythagorean identities. Because zvino takuda kuconsider addition identities. So my addition identities ndo anowanikwa in the addition formulae family. And we should also know kuti these addition formulae are not addition identities. They can also be called compound angle identities. So this is important to know. Anogona kunzi ma-compound angle identities like this. So tichiri papo manje, how are we going to introduce this topic? Let us go to our previous lesson a little. In our previous lesson, takaita a question, a practice question. Yet here we have to prove that sine squared alpha subtracting the bracket of tan alpha minus cos alpha. Then we have another bracket, tan alpha plus cos alpha. We were tasked to prove that this is equal to cos squared alpha subtracting sine squared alpha, everything under, cannot everything over, cos squared alpha. Saka takaita question yakadai so. If you need to revise it, you can check our previous lesson. Pa question takati, when we are tasked to prove anything, especially when it comes to trig identities, we do have to consider the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Saka tinotanga ne the left-hand side, and so our solution taiti the left-hand side is equal to tokopa everything zviri ku left until they cosine. Saka left-hand side is equal to sine squared alpha subtracting tan alpha minus cos alpha, then panapa tan alpha plus cos alpha. Tika expanda ma brackets aya, also knowing kuti this is a difference of 2 squares. Tinowana the left hand side is equal to sine squared alpha subtracting tan squared alpha minus cos squared alpha. So zvaitika pano ndezvekuti ta expanda ma brackets aya. taita expansion of brackets yatakadzidziswa kualgebra, possibly form 1 or form 2. Tati tan alpha times tan alpha, tikazoti tan alpha times cos alpha, tikati minus cos alpha times tan alpha, tikati minus cos alpha times cos alpha. Ndozvatipa tan squared alpha subtracting cos squared alpha. Then tawana izvozvo manje, the other thing we do is tinoendera mberi tichisimplify. Tinenge takuti this is equal to sin squared alpha minus tan squared alpha plus cos squared alpha. Chandikuda kuti muone panapa ndechekuti kuti tibve pathis stage tichienda panext stage taita the removing of brackets, and by removing of brackets ndiri kuti tati minus 1 times tan squared alpha kawana minus tan squared alpha, tikati minus 1 times minus cos squared alpha tikawana plus cos squared alpha. Saka maoperations atakadzidziswa kualgebra ekusolva maalgebraic expressions or equations kana paine mabrackets ndo ata-apply. So the way we are going to get into our lesson is like this. Let us ask ourselves a question. Saka tadzosa izvi hatinotokontinya kusolva because tadzosa this question to show you kuti we can use expansion of brackets. We can also use the removing of brackets when dealing with trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities. But now, manje, what we want to establish, we actually want to ask a question. Mubvunzo wedu, what if? Saka, what if yedu yakamira sei? Let us say kuti we have cos 180 degrees minus 120 degrees like this. Is this equal to the cos of 180 degrees minus the cos of 120 degrees? That is our question. Kuti kana tiine a situation cos 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, can we put cos mukati muno kuti cos yo multiplier 180 degrees, cos yo multiplier minus 120 degrees to get cos 180 degrees minus cos 120 degrees? Is that possible? So let us employ the mathematics we have been using kuprova. Kureva kuti tichati left hand side. So the left hand side is equal to cos 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Let us solve what is inside the brackets first. Kureva kuti chava cos of 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. And if we put cos 60 in our calculator, we get 1/2 is the answer. Now let us do the same for the right hand side. RHS, which is equal to cos 180 degrees subtracting cos 120 degrees. So tripanapa, what is cos 180 degrees? The minus 1. So it's minus 1 subtracting. What is the cos of 120 degrees? The minus 1/2. So if we solve this, it becomes minus 1. A negative multiplying a negative is a positive, so it's minus 1 plus half, which is equal to minus 1/2. So as we can clearly see, the right hand side, or start with the left hand side, is not equal to the right hand side. That is what we wanted to see. And taona kuti the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So which conclusion do we arrive at? Conclusion yatinosvikira pairi panapa, which is a nota bene fact, ndeyekuti a trigonometric ratio, and this is important if you are taking notes. This is something to write down. A trigonometric ratio cannot be distributed. It cannot be distributed to the angles inside the brackets. A trigonometric ratio haikwanise kudistributwa to the angles inside the brackets. Kureva kuti we cannot think cos 180 minus 120 is equal to cos 180 minus cos 120. And the reason yataita zviri pamusono panapa ndekukuratidzai kuti we can use expansion of brackets kana removing of brackets kana mukati memabrackets acho muine matrig ratios kana kuti matrig functions, kureva kuti muina sin, muina cos, muina tan. Kana angori maangles chete ari mukati mebracket, then tiine a trig ratio, then tiine a trig function kunze, we cannot deal with that. We cannot use expansion of brackets. We cannot use removing brackets. So that is the realization I wanted us to arrive at. I do hope kuti mabata kuti tikuzama kuenda kupi. That said, tataura zvatataura, takuda kuchikuintroducei to what we have to do. Let us say kuti tanzi ti solve this cos 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Saka toisolva sei? Taona kuti we cannot remove brackets literally as we did with algebra. Masolvero atinoita ndeaya. We are going to introduce what is called addition formulae, and this addition formulae, as we stated earlier, can be called compound angle identities. Ndo atinoshanda nawo panapa. Compound angle identities. So anofamba sei, it's a family and we have 3 sets of identities. My identity edu anofamba so. Yekutanga inotudza kuti if we have the sign of A plus or minus B, this is identical to sin A cos B plus or minus cos A sin B. So let us interpret this. Zviri kutaurwa panapa ndezvekuti, let us say kuti we have, let me use a different color panapa. Saka let us say kuti we have sin A plus B. This is going to be identical to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Mashona. Then if we have sin A minus B, this is identical to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So there's not much to tell panapa. These are statements we should know, we should remember, but most importantly, statements we should be able to utilize, able to use. So ndo mamiriro azvakaitawo. Okay, let us see kuti kokana tina cos zvinofamba sei. If we have the cos of A plus or minus B, this is identical to cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. And you are going to see kuti musiyano wa plus or minus na minus or plus wakasiyana papi. Going on, interpreting this, zvoreva kuti the cos of A plus or minus B is identical to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Saka kana tina, I'm sorry panapa, I shouldn't have said plus or minus, rather I should have said plus. So kana tina cos A plus B, this is identical to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Kureva kuti kana panapa paina plus pama angles ari mukati memabrackets, pama addition kana kuti compound angle identities tinenge tiina minus. Kana tiina cos A minus B, this is identical to cos A cos B plus now, and ngona musiyano wacho, sin A sin B. So that is the reason why panapa tati plus or minus as panapa tati minus or plus. So ndo mabudiro azvinoita. Tichiri pano, let us now end with tan. Tan inofamba sei. The tan of A plus or minus B is identical to tan A plus or minus tan B over 1 minus or plus tan A tan B. Let us interpret what this means. This means kuti, if we have tan A plus B, this is identical to chi tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Saka pamusoro plus anoenderana plus asi pazasi ndopanozoti plus akuenderana na minus, nekuti panapa pana minus or plus asi pamusoro paina plus or minus. Having said so, kana iri tan A minus B, this is identical to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Ndo mabudiro uye mafambiro azvinoita. Saka aya ndo ma-addition formulae identities, compound angle identities. Instead of kushandisa algebra dzekurumova mabrackets, kana tine situation where we have a cos with angles adding or subtracting inside brackets, we employ this family of identities. Now, as is our custom, we now need to have a practice question. This is going to be our practice question. Prove that sine 75 degrees is equal to root 2 multiplying root 3 plus 1 over 4 without using a calculator. Before we get into this question, may you please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Saka mubvunzo uyu tinomuita sei? Zvatinoita pamubvunzo uyu ndezvekuti, since question yedu iri kuti proof, toziva kuti takufanirwa kudhila na left hand side kana kuti right hand side. But it's more easier to consider the left hand side, so simplify left hand side kuti tione kuti tinosvika here ku right hand side. So we have sine 75 degrees, but manyorero atinoita tinoti left hand side is equal to sine 75 degrees. Question yedu yanzi without using a calculator. We have special angles which we know. A special angles atinoziva is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Ma special angles atinomaziva tichishandisa two models of triangles. First one yakadai so, an equilateral triangle, inenge ine perpendicular bisector panapa. So here it's 30 degrees. Panapa, of course, it's a right angle. Panapa, it's 60 degrees. Pano, it's 1, 1, 2, 2, and up it's the square root of 3, that line. Tinowana the length using Pythagoras theorem. Then the second triangle yarushandisa ndeinoyi 9 apo it's 45, 1, 1. Panapa using the Pythagoras theorem is the square root of 2. So ndo matriangles atinoshandisa. Saka we are given a sine 75 degrees, which we should take note kuti iri in which quadrant. It's very important to know kuti iri in which quadrant. This one is in the first quadrant. Kureva kuti we should employ the first quadrant. Ma quadrants aya should be part of musoro. Mashona. But since we are still on a learning corner, let us bring an imagery of this. So that is what happens in the first quadrant. Q1, all functions are positive. Then the sine of 360 degrees plus theta is equals to sine theta. Cos of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to tan theta. Then the sine of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta, which is a cofunction. And the sine of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to sine theta. Every function is positive. Pese pana sine anenge positive. Pese pana cos kana tan anenge positive. Saka, looking at this, and it's sine 75 degrees. And we can see panapa kuti actually taking sine 75 degrees like that. Tikatarisa manumbers atinawo panapa. Tina 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. We should look for numbers which we can manipulate from this list of our special angles to get 75. Saka, can we use 90? 90 minus 60, haitipe 75. Even 90 minus 30, haitipe 75. So we cannot use 90. Can we use 60? We don't have anything to add to 60 to get to 75. Rather, we can use 30 and 45. Saka information yekuziva zvinoitika first quadrant nekuona kuti angle yatinayo is in the first quadrant yakangokosha. It's something which should be running in the background of your mind when you are doing trigonometry. But panapa manje, our solution is going to be sine 75 here. Tichainyora sine 75 degrees tichainyora is sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. Because 30 plus 45 is 75. Why did we pick 30 and 45? Because they are part of the special angles which we know. Then manje, using the addition formulae which we used. So I hope you were writing notes, and pakunyora kwenye notes, you can actually be looking at the listing of the compound angle identities yataita to see that. Maybe let me write it in a different color. The sine of A plus B, we have to apply, is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So ndo yatoda kuapply inoi. Kwa apply kwedu tinenge takuti the sine of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to sine 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sine 45. And I hope maona kuti zvokufamba sei. Saka A ndi 30, B ndi 45. Ndobva tangoshandisa substitution muno. So manje tinenge takuita sei? Tinenge takuti the sine of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to, what is the sine of 30? Toya kuno. the sine of 30, knowing kuti sine ndisho opposite of hypotenuse, 30 degrees ndeuyu, opposite ndi 1, hypotenuse ndi 2. Kurati panapa, we replace sine 30 and a half. But sine 30 is multiplying cos 45. So what is going to be cos 45? Cos the cha adjacent of hypotenuse. So it's 1 over root 2. But at plus the cos of 30, cos here 30, it should be cha adjacent of hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2, multiplying the sine of 45, sine the show opposite of hypotenuse, 1 over root 2. So if we simplify kuno, we should somehow get there. So this is equal to, let us multiply 1 times 1 the 1 over 2 times root 2 the 2 root 2 plus root 3 times 1 the root 3 over 2 times root 2 the 2 root 2. Then simplifying further, this is equal to, since my denominators are fanana, we just add my numerators. 1 plus root 3 over 2 root 2, like that. But I said yasvika kai, wozi truda kusvika kunani, kuna root 2 bracket root 3 plus 1 over 4. Panapa takuchita process yechi rationalizing yatakadzidza ku level. If you have forgotten, you want to revise, you can tell me in the comments. I will take you to a video which we introduced and taught this method. We have to rationalize, meaning we multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2. So tikadaro tenge takuti kunumerator root 2 iri kumultiply both 1 plus root 3. This is very important. Saka ma brackets akakosha. Root 2 icha multiply everything over, then root 2 times root 2 ndi 2. Saka kuno kunova 2 times 2, like this. And this is equal to root 2. No, we can just rearrange root 3 plus 1 over 2 times 2 ndi 4. This is equal to the right hand side. Therefore, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Proven. That'll prove, because taidzosera panapa root 2 bracket root 3 plus 1 over 4. So we have done the proof, as you can see. Saka this becomes our final answer. Saka kana manzi without using a calculator, then angle yenyu, it's within the known quadrants. You have to use this. Yange yakanzi sine 400 and something, panoshanda reduction formula yatakakudzidzisai. But panapa, because 75 iri within the specified quadrants, zvongoreva kuti we have to look at our special angles and manipulate them until we get to our answer. So that is how it is done. If you have any questions, use the comments, use my direct lines. Let us take ourselves to the second practice question. This is the question we want to attempt. Determine the value of the following expression without the use of a calculator. Cos 65 degrees, cos 35 degrees, plus cos 25 degrees, cos 55 degrees. Before we get into it, may you please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and following. Thank you. Saka pano manje pakuda kushanda zvinhu zvakati wandei. Tanzi tidile na cos 65 degrees, cos 35 degrees, plus cos 25 degrees and cos 55 degrees. Information yatiri kufanirwa kudhila nayo kana kuti kushanda nayo, we know our special angles: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Those special angles edu. Kutarisa ma angles atinawo apo 65, 35, 25, 55. Saka apana a special angle. Kureva kuti we should do some form of manipulation. But manipulation yedu manje in a certain end goal, which is going to be exposed as we go. We are dealing with let me use a different color. Cos 65 degrees cos 35 degrees plus cos 25 degrees cos 55 degrees. 65, 35, 25, 55 zviri in first quadrant. And with this is what happens in the first quadrant. The sine of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to sine theta. The cos of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to cos theta. The tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to tan theta. The first three, maybe ndansina kuzvitaura. Regai ndizvitaure. The first three, aya ana 360 degrees aya ari matatu aya anongoshanda kana theta iri above 360 degrees. Kureva kuti theta yakakura kudarika 360 degrees. Ndo atinoshandisa kuredusa maangles ari above a period, above a complete revolution, kumadzosera mufirst quadrant. Asi kana maangles edu asiri above 360 degrees, kureva kuti kana maangles edu ari actually below 90 degrees, like acute, tinoshandisa aya marelationships aya ane chekuita neanonzi macofunctions. So the sine of 90 degrees minus theta, in the first quadrant, it's 90 minus theta. In the second, it's 90 plus theta. Then in third and fourth, hamuna 90. Upon. Saka the sine of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. Then the cos of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to sine theta. Everything positive. So I think, munga consider zvandataura izvezvi, you can actually learn with first quadrant in Famba say. So can we now employ 90 and see kuti 65 tinoiwana sei? Saka kuti tive na 65, it's just 90 subtract 65. Like this, pana 7. 10 minus 5, that's 5, 7, 8, 9, 25. Kureva kuti 90 minus 25 is 65. Toya tozvisa kunoku. Saka instead of kunyora kuti cos 65, takunyora kuti cos 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. Iyo yodzoka yakadaro cos 35 degrees vat plus iyo cos 25 tongoinyora yakadaro. Then panapa toti cos chi. In 90 minus chi inotipa 55. 90 subtract 55 upon the 6 upon the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Kureva kuti umo takuti chi 90 minus 35 degrees. Saka taintroduce 90. Taintroduce 90. But when you look at cos much, we know kuti we want to use this. Chicha tinoziva. Tinoziva kuti cos of 90 degrees minus theta iri equal to sine theta, as is zvakanyorwa panapa in the first quadrant. Saka when we look at cos 90 degrees minus 25, we see kuti theta yedu ndi 25. Chero mukamechesa panapa munoona kuti 90 minus 25 degrees theta. Saka theta ndi 25 degrees. Kureva kuti instead of kunyora kuti cos 90 degrees minus 25, we can rather say sine 25 degrees. Then your cos 35 yodzoka yakadaro. Totati plus iyo cos 25 yodzoka yakadaro. Then cos 90 degrees minus 35 degrees inenge iri chi sine 35 degrees, like that. Saka we have introduced the sine. The reason yataintroducera sine ndeyekuti tikwanise kushandisa macompound angle identities. And maintroducera taita sine kuva a working knowledge of what happens in the first quadrant. Saka we can go nowhere if we do not know what happens in the first quadrant. You get it? Okay. Saka tada is so much. What we are going to do is, we now know kuti kudini, kuti if we have the sine of A plus B. This is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Zvatabva kudzidza manje manje. Saka A yedu ndi 25, B ndi 35. Kureva kuti ino ish manje inenge yakafanana nekuti kudini? Inenge yakafanana nekuti instead of kunyora this whole statement, tinenge takungonyora kuti sine of A is 25 plus B is 35, like that. Mapaona, I think it's special. It's very special actually, because zvaitika pano zvoti ta apply this compound angle identity in reverse. Taona kuti sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Ndokutarisa pano ndokuona kuti tina sine 25 cos 35 plus cos 25 sine 35. Saka ino ndiyo chi A iyo B. Iyo yobva yaita futi chi A iyo B. Then sine cos sine plus. Saka ino ndiyo iri kumucheto kunoko. Isusu tabva tanyora iyi manje sine A plus B. Now, having done that, continuing tenge takuti sine of what? What is 25 plus 35? Tikabvisa 5 tikaisawo kuinoita 30. Saka apo yava sine of chi 60 degrees. But sine 60 tinoiziva ka. Tinoiziva from what? From triangle yedu. Ina hangu anifanira kukrema. Saka zvinhu izvi ndinotongo saka triangle kangu pano ndomazivira ndozviita. Kana muchigona kuzviisawo musoro, good luck. Saka sine 60, which is show opposite over hypotenuse, kureva kuti the opposite apo inenge iri chi √3 and the hypotenuse inenge iri 2. This is our final answer, √3 over 2. Tapedza. So this question was very special. Kana paine pakuvhiringai, please tell me. Musapfurwa neinformation. I will try to re-explain it in a better way. But this is our question. How do you tell me? Through my contacts, which I'm about to share, and also through the comments section. Otherwise, thank you for your attentiveness and your patience, because learning requires a great deal of patience. Zvatakuchiita pano manje, takuchikupai assignment yenyu. Saka we are going to write it on the board. You are expected to copy it, you answer it, then we call it a day. So stay tuned for that. This is going to be your assignment. Number 1, calculate the following without using a calculator. A, sine 105 degrees. B, cos 15 degrees. C, tan 15 degrees. D, cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees minus sine 20 degrees, sine 40 degrees. E, cos 45 degrees minus x, cos x, minus sine 45 degrees minus x, sine x. F, cos squared 15 degrees minus sine squared 15 degrees. Number 2, prove sine 60 degrees minus x plus cos 60 degrees plus x is equal to √3 cos x. Number 3, simplify the following without using a calculator. Sine p cos 45 degrees minus p plus cos p sine 45 degrees minus p, everything over cos p cos 60 degrees minus p minus sine p cos 60 degrees minus p. Number 4, prove sine a plus b minus sine a minus b is equal to 2 cos a sine b. Then part B, hence calculate the value of cos 75 degrees sine 15 degrees without using a calculator. That is our assignment. I know kuti yakareba, but it's necessary kuti mubate ma concepts. Thank you for your attention and have a nice one.